Hey guys, this is Mr. Video Dude 79 Vlogs here back to you with another vlog, and of course this is of course another one ticker vlog for you guys. And of course today is the 17th of January of 2020. It is now 1:25. So yep, and of course this is vlog number 21. Just in case you were wondering. So yep, of course today we having a blizzard. Yep. Indeed. So of course the business has started of late, and now as you can see, this is how it's like now. Yep. Well, conditions and everything. Yep. Look at that, guys. Really, it's just very windy out there too. Because it is supposed to get really 20 day like during the evening the winds will be really high, like probably around gusting up to 150. Yep, which I mentioned to you guys yesterday. So yep, really. So yeah, so I thought so yep. So of course right now I'm actually stuck at home now because of the weather, and of course and of course the city of St. John's the town of Paris and city of Mount Pearl have now declared it is still an emergency due to this blizzard that we're having. So yep, pretty much. So of course all it means that all it means is for people to just stay home. So yep, pretty much. So and of course otherwise there actually some power outages here in Newfoundland, there is one up in about the Lowdown up to say which is literally very past the bay from here, which is in Consistent North. And then there's another one right on the center of the island, which is in the Graphite region. Yep, pretty much. So of course, yep. But of course, hopefully our power won't go even with the conditions worsen. But of course you never know, because I really don't like power outages. So yep, indeed. So yep. So and of course yep, but of course it is going to end by 12, which would be awesome. Yep. So of course I'm going to pretty much relax at home for the rest of the day, and then see what the what plans for after the blizzard. So yep, indeed. So yep. So, you know what I'm going to say about this. That's right. I want to be summer again. I really do. Yep. I want all the snow melt, and the temperature to warm up, and of course pretty much and then to pretty much we were sort said end of stuff in. Yep. Yep, indeed. But of course because we're just gonna get to the winter, and then spring first. But because hopefully the snow will be gone by hopefully April or May of this year. Yep, indeed. So yep, pretty much. Yep, because I really can't wait for the spring and the summer, guys. Yep, I really can't. And of course hopefully during the those seasons will have 20 degree weather, and even some 17 start the day and night. which would be nice. Better than the single numbers. Yep, indeed. So yep, pretty much. So yeah. So yes. So because I guess that's all I have to talk about now. So of course we really hope guys like my quick little one take vlog and and of course stay tuned for some more vlogs coming up very soon. Like hopefully I might do a like a full day vlog coming up tomorrow. Maybe like a update vlog like maybe 12. So yep, pretty much. But cause I will still do like a full day vlogs of some days, but of course because for now they'll just be updates. So yep, pretty much. So of course yes, so of course over and out guys. Peace, bye, see you later.